Good day and welcome to today's class. Today's class is a continuation of our previous class on trigonometry. At the previous class, we were able to look at the basic trigonometric ratios of sine theta, cos theta, and tangent theta with respect to a right-angled triangle. In today's class, we shall be looking at complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum gives you 90 degrees. We shall consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, at the last class, I told you that with respect to angle theta degrees, line AB, which is C, is said to be the opposite side to angle theta, while line AC is said to be the hypotenuse of this triangle ABC, and line BC is said to be the adjacent side. One of the basic theorems of a triangle is that the sum total of the angles in a right angle triangle is said to be 180 degrees. That is to say that if you add up angle A, which I said it is 90 minus theta, and angle B, which is 90 degrees, and angle C, which is theta, that their sum total gives you 180 degrees. And if angle B is 90 degrees and angle C is said to be theta degrees, then automatically angle A can be written as 90 minus theta degrees. So we said angle A plus angle C is said to be equal to 90 degrees. The sine theta, which we said at the previous class to be the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse side, can be expressed to be C over B. Also, if you look at cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, which is said to be the ratio of the adjacent side over the hypotenuse side, is equal to C over B with respect to angle 90 minus theta. So you will agree with me that sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, which is equal to C over B. Also, sine 90 minus theta, if you look at the trig ratio, which is the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse side, is equal to, when you consider triangle ABC with reference to angle 90 minus theta, A is said to be the opposite side, while B is said to be the hypotenuse side. Then the sine 90 minus theta degrees is said to be equal to A over B. And cos theta, which is the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse side, is equal to A over B. So therefore, we can also establish it that cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. So we have established two facts. One is that cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta, while sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So whenever you have two complementary angles in a right angle triangle, the cos of one of the angle is equal to the sine of the other angle, while the sine of theta can also be said to be equal to the cos of 90 minus theta. Now this can help us in solving some trigonometrical problems. Let's take some examples.